There we go. We're live. Well, I say we, it's me. So it's just me. But I will actually just check on my phone, on the app. Yes, I am live. Fantastic. Right. We leave the chat down there. And we get started. What do we get started with? I think docker compose app minus d. We need the other one. Yeah, no. Minus d. Right, what we're doing today, we're gonna test what I have already built, but I'm actually really not sure if it's gonna work. That's why we're testing it, right? And we're gonna probably use Insomnia. This looks like it's done. Fantastic. No, leave me alone. Okay, Docker Compose app. It's working on the port. Which port are you on? Where's my Docker file? 8080. Localhost 900. Oh, wrong. I've used it for another thing during the week. 8080. Fantastic. So I don't care about a file icon, do I? Do I even have one? Definitely not. It doesn't matter. Right. Message TTO. Oh yeah, right. I remember. This is when I get confused because I normally would have declared the DTO, right? But I didn't. And I want to know if you're just gonna receive anything and just deal with it, or if you need. This is interesting, right? We are going to do like this. Gemini. I am running. I don't need to tell them. I know how to set up Insomnia. Localhost 8080. I am confused about the DTO because I did not made it a class. I love this actually. Schedule message. And I do have a mapper somewhere, which is in my service. Schedule message transaction mentioned. There we go. See? Are you complaining now? Oh. You're not complaining over the right thing. And the mailer, this injection of the mailer is probably wrong. This is, yeah. Not be much in section point. I definitely need to fix this, but one thing at a time. First we need to... No, I should have just copied this one as well. Well, you can figure it out yourself. Let's go. Oh. There is. I mean, it actually is not really no problem because it's just an argument. You know? It's been a stupid argument, it doesn't matter, but okay. This is a bit trippy because I'm looking at myself on my phone. Okay. Okay, that's not a problem. When now using entity scaling as a data transfer object, we're doing using one class. No, just give me the JSON to test this in Insomnia. So. I don't need tips to test Insomnia. I just need to set it up. Oh, you're on the other screen. Let's go. Oh, my first project, send a request. Post. Let's say this is handy. Body. No, absolutely not. Body in JSON. JSON is such a cool thing. I don't know. Send. Fantastic. Yeah, it's correct. That messages. Post. Interesting. Also, what does IntelliJ always want? Look, every time I use IntelliJ, it wants to update something. Like, why you never fully update IntelliJ? Why can you not just update yourself when I'm not looking at you? Okay. Maybe clip this. Maybe we see if actually, so, there is this, how do we call it? Twitch is telling me that I can just say clip this, and apparently it's supposed to like help me. We find out if that is the case, and the chat. So I'm trying to have the chat on the screen as well, and I don't know. Yeah, it is there. I think. Yeah, I think you guys see the chat. Let me see. Sorry, I have bad eyesight. I don't want this for fun. Okay, so the chat is now on the screen, which is amazing. It doesn't cover that much. It will be just up to here. Okay, cool. Just move this up there. Just move this. Okay, guess you stay where you are. That's a really good point. We're gonna need a get. Public response get messages. Okay. What do you mean? I want all messages. So now I want get all messages. No. Public A should return a list. Of schedule message. And it's called get all messages. What did I do wrong? Well, first of all, I forgot a transaction. Oh. Just put the method in the wrong place. But public schedule. Yes. That was nice. No, that's not what I want to. No. Okay. How to do get all in pana. That was easy. That was very easy. I like that there is a chat up there now. I can actually now I can interact with the chat. It's like silly stuff, but now I can. Hello world. Oh my god. I need to sign into my own Twitch. This is amazing. Wonderful. I'm not doing that. Oh. I broke my own chat. That was silly. I don't know how to. Oh no. I don't want to create an account. I don't want to. Well, I should have done this. I should have thought about this, right? I guess we are removing the chat from there. Yep. No more chat on the stream because I have not signed in because I was trying to use my own chat. I can use it from my phone, I guess. How do I do this? Well, if you are looking at this, say hi in the chat. So hopefully I find the chat and actually reply myself. Oh, no. No, here's the chat. Hello world. Eccola. Okay, so we get them all because it's easier. So now we go repository dot get all messages. Maybe a return statement. What do you think? No, I wonder if this is gonna work. I really don't think this is gonna work. Is this going to work? Probably not. Now, there was some point we were trying to just create one. Well, this is useless. Send. Okay. We are going to duplicate this one. Get all messages. Change from post to get. Remove the body. Send. My source not found. Oh, well. Do I need to? Oh, that's a really good question. Ah. And I'm gonna leave it there without the minus D. Okay. I'm gonna try again. But why? Get messages. Knowing that ChatGPT created this, I would have thought that it does email recipient, content, sent out. Okay. All right. Let's have to do with this. We're not looking at that right now. So I don't need a terminal here. Okay. Why? Why am I getting a resource not found? Oh. I'm learning something new every day. I never knew this was a thing. What is it? Console. I mean, I keep. And I think then that probably would be the way I do my Docker. I don't want to bet. Look, this is my Docker compose YAML. Quark application is running the way you think it is. Yeah, figured. Database connection refused. What do I see? Well, you tell me. Being lazy here. Oh. But I don't have any tests, do I? Yeah, I mean, I don't. What is it? December 16. Yep, I have it. Also, I give up on having tea because it keeps getting cold, so I'm back on just water. Although I wouldn't actually mind a glass of red wine right now, but yes, nice internal server error. I take this. Fantastic. But then, while this one gives me source not found. Okay. Rebuild Maven. Okay, compose up works. Now I get a 500 instead of 44 for the insomnia. Create a new message. Yeah, that's why I said yes, obviously. A different error is always a better error. Yeah, for sure. Unless it's an error you had before, you fix it, then that's wrong. Then that is really wrong. No, I did put the transaction. I did put the transaction in here. No, service. Where's my service layer? Repository, docker compose. Service. Transactional. Where's the get all message transaction? Get all messages. Which, to be fair, I think we can just guess here makes more sense. Schedule message that's extend. Extend panache entity, so you're talking big crap. I wonder if they got picked up my clicking. Anyway, it looks good. We created a new database and now we go insomnia and we try again. Internal server error. Love it. do you mean? Well, I haven't actually tried the log. That's a good idea. Passion is really not my strength. I barely pass my Linux classes. Nice. Argument queen private. Okay, great. Okay, you try this one first. Okay. Mm. And for safety, I go docker compose down and docker compose up -d. Come on. This is why I hate debugging, because you just go around in circle doing the same thing 5 times. But it's so rewarding once it works. So let's make it work. We are going to tail this again and see what this says. Do you think it matters if I put it at the top or the bottom? Like, does it matter? Didn't think it did. Okay, that was stupid. Should have known this one. can we update my Docker so that I do not need to do this all the time? There we go. You can view all. I don't think I have a preferred Java version at this point. And do I? No. I've done that. Oh, this is amazing. No. Is this gonna be very long, or is this gonna be easy once I crack the code? So today is. Oh, maybe I need to stop swinging. Maybe I need to stop swinging. Just fixing my dress because I don't want to sit on my thighs. I want to sit on my dress. Anyway, yeah, go on. Great. What are we doing today? Today we are testing, debugging. The idea is to create a new message and then see if I can actually send it. I think I can create a message. I don't think I can get to send it today, but we're gonna find out. Having said that, let's get going again. Insomnia. Twitch clip that. I think that's how it works. We're gonna find out. Send. What do you mean? Okay. $39. Eh. So normally we're supposed to use I don't know if I want to use the latest Java or the latest Java that has good support. So that would be 17 and 21. I feel like I want to try 21 until I get hit by a wall and it doesn't work. So now I'm gonna do Docker Compose up. Let's not detach it, let's keep it there so I actually see it failing if it fails, so passing if it pass. Yeah, I did say this was gonna take a while, so. Oh, and my face is on top of it. Hmm. I'm not even gonna ask AI. I think I know what I need to do. And we rebuilt it. Oh, I still need this one anyway, because I'm using Java 21, then it's not 25. Okay, it looks like Java. It looks good. I think it's failing again. Maybe not, let's find out. It is a different arrow. A different arrow is always welcome. Always. I need to. So here where the bean starts. Okay, cool. I need to get used to the fact that. Right. Okay, I understand this, but I don't know if I want to use a local time or if I want to use instant. Instant is UCT. What? UCT. UCT. Time. Universal. Then we use this one because it's like Greenwich. Okay. We use instant, which means we need repository. We need to change. But this is useless. Can I not just do... There's no need to complicate it, everything is there. No? Completely unrelated, but I think 120 seconds. I don't need that often anyway. Someone join me again. Hello. It would be nice if you could use a chat. I had it on the screen and I had to remove it, which is really sad. Because I didn't log in. That was silly of me. Here we go. Okay, nice. Will I be able to create a message by the end of this thing? Yes. Yes, we've done it. Well, I done it, but thank you. I got a message. Now, can I get them all? No. Okay, well, let's clip this one. And then 49. And then we will see. Okay, we create a message. That's it. It's something. Okay. I created the message, but I need snow. I don't want to say I knew it, because if I knew it, I should have not done it. But I did see this coming. I 100% saw this coming, and I questioned my sanity when I just cast the response like that. And thank God that we have AI to point out how silly I've been. Let's go. Okay, now what? Can I now query in Insomnia the same endpoint, but filtering the status to send. And I wonder. Probably the answer is no. Oh, I can. Yeah, but this is just me for testing. Okay, cool. Insomniac up. Oh my god. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Oh, it's weird. This actually does return something, but that's not the point. API, get messages. Here we go. Create methods. Okay, there is no sent messages. Is this gonna send? Okay. How does this work? 20, but this. Oh, this is in the past now. Oh, it's not because we use. Let me see. Okay. Nice. Now I need to know how to create a message that will be sent in 1 minute so that I can test. Oh, wait. I think I made an endpoint for this. Process. Yes. Post process. Let's try. New HTTP request. Post. Process. Oh, it's message the process. Oopsie. But this is so handy. Now actually can I reply. The proper reply. slash send processing triggered. So get also message. Okay. Wait. We learned something here. Well, yeah, of course, it's a post, it's not a get. Okay. What if I say okay, wait, because this should at least do this. I actually noticed what I thought I knew how to add the pagination, and I know done it. Ooh, I have 3 viewers now. This is amazing. Well, actually 2 because one of the viewers is myself, but doesn't matter. Hello. So what we're doing is we're trying to send messages because we can see we have them. This is when I'm confused because I should at least change the message status to failed according to this. So I guess this is when breakpoint. Oops, this one. Send. Okay, I don't think you're actually working then. Send. See? This is not how I use the breakpoint, in this sense. Okay. Show me how I use the deep. I'm being stupid. It's not gonna process the one in the past, so I need to create a new message and then put it for instead of 20 we go for 07. So this should have been like this morning. So now get all messages, great, and then if I go send, it's been triggered, get all messages, get pending. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second and try. Why is it not working? Because it is not working because I'm listening to the wrong music, for sure. Okay. Now we're good. Now I can debug this. Okay. Messages sent. Get the messages. Okay. Okay. It's actually working, to my surprise. Wait, but then if we manage to send them, the status hasn't been updated. Why not? Okay, one thing at a time. I do this. Fix my application properties. Okay. Okay. Yes. I mean, they're failing, but they are being sent. I mean, the sent is being triggered and they're not working, but it's fine. It's good. But the data is... Okay. Okay. But then I get all messages and status. Oh, use my Google account. Continue. What is my role? I guess I am a developer. How did I hear about you? AI recommend you. Which product are you planning to use? Email. Continue. Okay, no, this is disgusting. I just want to share this. What is my stack? This is disgusting. This is disgusting. You asking me what's my stack? Select. Select. Well, no, okay, we'll just stick to Java then. Continue. Oh, domain. I will need to add a domain. What? I mean, I don't. This is definitely not the right way to do it, but we'll try. Okay. Oh. I think I'm getting tired and I don't figure out mail trap soon. I'm gonna need to send it. Okay, I just need to use try catch now. Wait, okay, let's just do this one. I do what I want. Okay. But I told you I don't need this. Yes, we're getting update to failure. Now I still haven't figure out how to actually send the emails, but I think I'm gonna leave that for next time. So I'm gonna need to set up a mailer. But I feel like we're almost there with my message backend. Oh no, I just need to worry about the notifications. Well, right, let's do a to-do list together with my squishy pen. Has to be pink like the microphone, obviously. Right, next time. And now the music's too dramatic and it pisses me off. We wanna chill. Program. I need to fix this one and this is not gonna work. Okay. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna and then notification. So next week we can start the UI for this, but in the next stream on Thursday we shall. Well, before we need to set up the actual emailing notification. I don't know if this is actually set up and correct. and then we shall worry about actually sending the email. Once the email is exactly sent, then I can start the UI. So I think the next week I finish this and then start the UI. And then the scary part, deployment. I'm so scared of deploying stuff. It's just really not my strength. And cute. Right, I shall go. This is enough for today. I think, oh, no, we need to commit. We're not going without committing. Always commit. Always commit your code. Can create. Always fair warning, never less. I will clear them one day. Maybe not. Probably not. Commit anyway and push. Push. Push, push, baby. I like it. Repositories, future message. Compare. Nice. Confirm merge. Delete branch. Docker. Down. Git check out. -b. We're gonna call it for actual mailing. Nice. We're done with a new branch for the next time. That's it. I'm gonna go to bed. So tired. Bye. Bye bye. And that's it. We're offline. Well, this is only gonna be seen with few special people, but it's actually not that special. I'm just gonna close everything. What do you... Oh, okay, that's fine. I don't care. I don't need a pull request. I already done that. This, I don't like it. Oh, yes, very important. Update these 5 plugins. Let's just go. Enable auto update. So that was a skill issue by my part. I'm still talking if someone is even listening when I'm not recording. I mean, I'm recording, I'm not streaming. Done. Restart to activate. Restart now. And then we can definitely close this. We can definitely close that. We can definitely close Insomnia. Nice. Cool. Let's go. I will stop here recording now. That's it.